Okay, welcome to this presentation. Okay, just a minute. I'm sorry for that. I was trying to connect my laptop. I realized that it was almost going down. Okay, so welcome to this presentation. Where I just want to help someone who may be thinking of pursuing Master of Science in Mathematics, okay, with a program guide. Now, this program guide, I must mention, it is from Lovely Professional University of India. Lovely Professional University of India in Punjab, all right? But now, it may still be helpful to someone trying to pursue this program. Maybe you may be wondering what kind of courses are there. So this may help you, okay? Though, like I've said, this presentation is biased towards the Lovely Professional University, right? So I'll present the program guide for this Master of Science in Mathematics. Okay, so I'll go to the many areas. Okay, the main things that you may need to know. Okay, so program structure, you have got term or semesters from semester 1, 2, 3, all the way up to semester 4, right? And the total credits we expect we have here about 68. Okay, 68, 4, and 16. So total you get about 88. Okay, about 88 credits for this program. Okay, so now under the first column and the second column, we have got your core courses here. The second column, we have got skill enhancement courses, those that will just help you. Then we have got the generic electives or GE and the credits. Okay, so you have got core courses that are a must. Then you also have those generic electives, those courses that you may choose. All right. And what that means is that the first semester, if you are at Lovely Professional University, you will not have any generic electives. But you're going to get it, you're going to take these 1, 2, 3, 4 core courses, which they are calling discipline-specific core. These are core courses that you need. Plus, you pick one skill enhancement course, which is fundamentals of information technology. All right? Okay. So you have got 5 courses. Okay? And then you get 20 credits. Okay? Then in the second semester or second term, you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 core courses. Meaning that everyone that is pursuing Maths of Science in mathematics will have to do. But the second column, the skill enhancement course, there's nothing. But now you must, as you go to the second semester, you must pick your GE. from these fields, from these areas: data science, contemporary programming, marketing, marketing and finance and economics. So in my case, since I'm a master student there, I'm winding up. My generic elective, my GE is finance. All right, that is finance. So in the second semester, I did all these and doing one course under finance. So if you pick data science, it means you do all these plus one course under data science, so on and so forth, right? Then in the third semester, you have got 4 courses, discipline specific core. 1, 2, 3. All right? 3. Then you also get some courses from your GE. Then there is also what we call term paper. All right? Term paper. Meaning that you're in preparation for dissertation here. All right? So term paper that will prepare for your dissertation. But again, if you don't want to take the term paper, there's an option. That is it. Okay. Universities, it depends on the availability of the teaching staff. But for this university, okay, I'll try to erase. But for this university, you do a term paper or a course from the GE Basket 1. So there are courses that are listed. So if, for example, your generic is finance, okay, let me just try to share this again. I'm unable to write. Okay. I'm able to write. Okay, I think we are. Okay, so I was saying, according to this university, universities may have different guidelines. So you're supposed to do in the third semester, supposed to do a term paper or get a course from Basket 1, which is not chosen as your generic elective. So if in the second semester, your GE is finance, right? In the third semester, you're supposed to do a term paper. And if you don't want, you can replace. It means there will be no dissertation. All right. So you pick one course from Basket 1. It means you not do your term paper, and it means there will be no dissertation. And if there will be no dissertation, it means they made 2-3 courses. The first one, you're going to do it in the 3rd semester to replace the term paper. But now it should be different from it should be different from your what? Your GE. So if your GE is finance, the one that you're going to, a course that will replace the term paper should not be finance. Okay, so maybe you can pick it, data science. So from data science, you do one course. Okay, from data science, you do one course. Then when you go to the 4th semester, you do 2 core courses, then plus dissertation. But now, if in the 3rd semester you opted for a course and not the term paper, it means you will not have dissertation, there will not be a project, there will not be a research. But now you're going to do 2 more courses from data science, because in the 3rd semester you went for data science to replace term paper. So you will do 2 more courses from data science. That is how that program is structured. But of course, like I said, this may differ from university to university depending on the availability of the teaching staff. Now, what are the courses that you do in the first day, the actual courses? So you do real analysis 1, advanced algebra 1 or modern algebra. Others may call this as groups and links, right? Then theory of differential equations, fundamentals of research, fundamentals of information technology. Okay? Yeah, and your CA will be 30. 20 from the assignments, then 10 from your academic performance. The end of term is 70, but you must get at least 30 in this end of term or end of semester exam for you to pass. So if you get 25, then they are going to give you an E, the grade of E, meaning that you have to reappear for the exam. All right? You will have to reappear for the exam if an E is given. Then in the 2nd semester, you continue with real analysis. Then algebra again, you do algebra 2. Then there's research methods and design. Okay, where you do a lot of statistical work. Then complex analysis, calculus of variation and integral equations. Then your first GE appears. So if it is finance, you're going to pick one course from finance. For example, international financial management. That is your general elective. Then in the 3rd semester, you have got 3 core courses. Differential equations, partial differential equations, complex analysis 2, then topology. Then you do 2 courses again from your GE. If you finance, so it means in the 2nd semester you did 1 course under finance. In the 2nd semester you're going to do 2 courses. But you pick 1 course to replace the term paper if at all you don't want the term paper. Meaning that there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There will be 6 courses now. There will be 6 courses. But if you are doing the term paper, there will be 4 courses. Okay? Then in the 4th term or 4th semester, there will be 2. Mechanics, function analysis. Then you get the general elective, 1 course. Then if you went for term paper, then you go for your dissertation. But if you decided to stay away from dissertation, then you must pick 2 courses. All right? The one that should correspond to the one that you picked the 3rd semester. Of course, in the semester, we're saying basket 1. Here now you go to basket 2 and then basket 3. of the same area. Okay, of the same area from which the course chosen in term paper. Meaning, therefore, that in the fourth semester, if you are not doing dissertation, then you are going to do 2 courses from the area that you picked in the third semester to replace term paper. Okay, basically that's that. That is what is there. Basically, that is what is there. Okay. Now, if you want to talk about the generic elective basket 1, these are the ones that are there: programming, methodology, probability and statistics, consumer behavior, international financial management, the Indian economic development, all these. Then, in basket 2, object-oriented programming, you can choose. Data science, you can choose. Digital and social media marketing, you can choose. Then, international banking and forex management, you can choose. Then, mathematics for economics, right? In the third basket, under your GE, you have got open source web application development, that is the O4 under programming, advanced data visualization under data science, customer relationship management under marketing, security analysis and portfolio management under finance. Then we have got monetary theory and policy under economics. Then basket 4, we have got programming in Python under programming, machine learning, data science, product and brand management, marketing, financial analytics, that is finance, economics of development, that is under economics. So these are the general electives that are there. Maybe as a way of guiding us, or maybe just as a guide, students can adopt only one area from generic elective basket that will be applicable for the whole program. Okay. In case of term paper, student may choose one course against term paper from the generic basket 1, which is not chosen as the generic elective, which is GE. In case of dissertation, student may choose 2 courses against dissertation from generic basket 2 and 3 of the same area from which the course chosen in term paper. Okay, so that is what is there, basically. So you have an option. If it is if you're at Lavery Professional University, you have got an option whether to go for your dissertation or you leave it. If you go for your dissertation, then you do your term paper in the third semester and the dissertation in the fourth. If you decide to get rid of dissertation in the third semester, you do 1 course in place of term paper. Then in the fourth semester, you do 2 courses in place of dissertation. I hope this helps you. It gives you an idea of what to expect as you do your Master of Science Mathematics. With me here, there are like course outlines for each course, but that may not be necessary for this presentation. Okay, please, if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, give us a comment, and share with any other person that could be in need, or that could be intending of doing this or pursuing this program. This has been Kanban period. All right. Okay, you can still subscribe on our other channel, which is Kanban period JM, right? You can also contact Mr. Mbondo on 0979 73809. Till next time, bye-bye.